Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I have shown you how to delete folders that are created with reserved keywords of Windows. So in this video I will show you how to keep your important files and folders in these con folders. In previous video I have made in the desktop, but for today's I have made in G drive here. Now you might ask, bro, how can you paste any files and folders in these con folders? Neither it opens nor it moves to any other folder or drive. So let me answer you that now this folder isn't secure folder, cause neither an ordinary person can open it nor he or she can delete it if he does not know the trick and how to open this con folder. So if I try to delete it from here, it won't delete. No response means it won't delete. So let's see how to put any files and folders here. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So here you can see two files and folders. Here's I have taken files here. Here it is presentation file windows.ppta, hi.txt, my document here. These folders are here. Here I suppose I created con folders in my G drive for today's video. Now let me copy these files here by selecting all, Ctrl plus C, it will be copied, and click here and right click it and right click on this, paste it. Now you will see no action performed here, means you won't get anything to see that if it is files are copied or not. So here it is the files here. So how to see these files and folders? Let me show you how to use the trick to see that files and folders in this con folder. For that, let me new tab to open. Now you have to paste this drive path in that address bar. Here it's called address bar. You can use any web browser for this. Here I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, anything you have in your PC. Here I am using Microsoft Edge. This is called address bar, and here I have to paste this PC G drive path. So here if we click it in here, you will get the drive path highlighted here. Ctrl plus C and minimize it and paste it here. You will and press enter. So now you will get to see that con folder is listed here along with other some drives folder. So if we click in here this con folder, you will get list of text which we have copied in our con folders. This is that con folder only. Let me resize it and let me show you. Here it is con folder G drive. And now if we want to get this text here, just we can download it. If we click it here, you will see what are content in this hi.txt file. It's hi guys, just written. Now for downloading it, right click it and save link as. Now you can just download here in G drive, click save as and hit enter. It will get downloaded here. You can see. Let me close it. And if you want to my document also, right click it, save link as, and it will get downloaded. Same here with Windows presentation file. Let me click it and right click it, and it will get saved here. It will get downloaded here. You can see guys. Let me close it and let me show you the folder which you have downloaded. My document. Now my document folder is opening. in Microsoft Word. It is open. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and share and subscribe to my video if you find it interesting. So let me close it. Here it is the file and same file which you have copied here in from desktop. My document. It's opening. Hi guys, see the same content in both document folder. So now if you want to delete this con folder, how will you do? You will say, bro, you made a video in it in your previous video. Well, yeah, I made it, but that command will work only if your folder is empty. Where we have files, here we have files in our folder. You can see here we have files in our con folders. So it won't delete with con. So the con folder won't delete if there is files inside it. So first we have to delete all these files which is present in con folder. Let me minimize it. First of all, we delete this because this is pretty useless. This is deleted. Now to delete this con folder, open command prompt as admin. For that, Windows plus X. In my previous video, I have seen how to open the command prompt as admin. You will get it pop up. Click it yes. Command prompt as admin open up. Here today, in previous video, I have seen our file was in desktop, but today our file is in G drive. So nothing you have to do, just click here G and colon sign and hit enter. Now G drive is your selected drive. Now if you do dir here, in previous video I have shown you what is the use of dir. Dir gives you the list of files and folders in your drive, in that particular drive or in that particular folder, and hit enter. You will see con directory here. Now if you want to see the files and folders in con directory, just you have to do dir space con and // just that and hit enter. Make sure you write this command correctly. If you write it incorrectly, it won't work. So you can see hi.txt, my.docx, which is word file, windows.ppsx, which is presentation file. So before deleting this con folder, we have to delete these files. So for deleting it, we have to write this command. For deleting this hi text and my document, we have to write del space this folder name. We are working on con folder. Write it con / and within this symbol we have to write hi.txt. Make sure you write this extension also .txt. If you write simply hi, it won't work, and hit enter. You will see no command prompt here, so it represents our command worked successfully. Let me open it. Okay. Our command. Now if I do dir.con, now you will say, bro, how you brought this command without typing it? So if you type in any command in upper, if you can bring it downward by clicking the upward arrow in your keyboard and hit enter. You will see hi.txt is present here. It is deleted and it won't be present here. So let me delete the rest of the folder. Del con oh yes, this / open this symbol, right? My docx, hit enter. No error message, means successfully gone. Del, now next folder, which is windows.ppsx / within the symbol, and you will use Windows. Make sure you write the file name correctly. tpsx. Now hit enter. You will see no error message again. Well, that's good. No error message. And let's do dir here. In dir you will get con folder. Just con folder here. If you do dir in within inside the con folder, for that dir con, you won't get any file and folder in the dir folder. So now you can freely delete this dir folder. For deleting this dir folder, for deleting this con folder, you can click my previous video. You can go and check my previous video to see how to delete these con folders. But for this video, let me delete you for you guys. rd con /, hit enter. You won't see any error message here. Means let me minimize it and let me refresh it here. See, it is in G drive and you won't get any dir con folder here. Let me refresh it. See, you won't get any con folder here. It is gone completely. Now let me exit it. For exiting, exit and hit enter. It has gone. That's all for this video. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, make sure you turn that gray like button to blue and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. And don't forget to leave your beautiful comments in your comment sections. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you guys for watching.